Okay, welcome back coders. Now today our topic is JavaScript iterables. So this is iterables we have discussed earlier a little bit. So you have to first of all you need to understand what is iterables and what is iterator. So iterables and iterators, this is very advanced topic, okay? So iterables and iterable an object that implements the symbol iterator method. So first of all I am showing you, you see I have an array and an object. So if I console.cars and person, let's see, in the array there is a symbol protocol, okay? You see this is iterator, symbol iterator. But in the object there is no symbol iterator. So this is iterable, array is iterable, but object is not iterable. That's why we cannot use for up loop over here, okay? So example of iterables. So everywhere you will get this symbol. If you use array you will get symbol, this symbol iterator is in the string, you will get symbol iterator, sets, maps, everything will have symbol iterator. But those are iterator, you will not get symbol iterator, but you will get next. Okay, I will show you everything. So this is the basic difference: an object that implements symbol iterator, an object that has next method. Okay, so array, string, set, maps, these are iterables and these are iterators, symbol iterator. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm commenting this. So first of all, we wanna discuss about the iterables. So iterables are iterable object like array. Iterables can be accessed with simple or efficient code. Iterables can be iterated over for loops, the for of loops. The JavaScript for of statement loops through the element of an object or iterable object. Okay, so this is the syntax. Iterating, easy to understand. This simply means looping over a sequence of elements. Here is some easy examples. Iterating over a string, iterating over an array, iterating over a string. You can use for of loop to iterate over the implements of the string. So you can iterate. So this is iterable, okay? So let's see. So I am console logging. Okay, so if we wanna show, say console dot log, console dot dart, whether it is iterable or not. Say console dot dart name symbol iterator. Okay, let's see. You see, this is the string iterator, and in the protocol you will see the symbol to string. It has the iterator. Okay, string iterator, so it will be iterable, so you can iterate over it. Okay, so it means that you can run for up loop on it. Okay, so you are getting the result. But if it is object, you cannot do it. I will show you later. So let's go for the next second example. So we are getting the W3 school. Okay, iterate over an array. So you can iterate over an array. I have already shown you, even though I am showing. So you can run the for up loop with the array. Okay, this is the array, and console log, console.log text. And if I remove the, so this is ABC. So now I want to show you whether it is iterable or not. Okay, console.log or console.dar Okay, letters, symbol iterator. Let's see. Array iterator. You see, it has the symbol. It has the next array iterator. Okay. So this is iterable as it is showing array iterator. Symbol twisting array iterator. Okay, so you can do it. So this is iterable. So that it means that you can run for a loop with it. Okay. Okay. So let's go for the next example. Iterating over an array. For a loop to iterate over the elements of an array. And this is the same also. This is the same, even though we are seeing it. So it must have the symbol iterator protocol, and you need to able to run the for up loop. If these two conditions are fulfilled, then it means that it is iterable. Console.log. Okay, so this is also iterable. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next example. Iterating. I will show you object is not iterable later. So iterating over a set. This is the set. We have not discussed about set. In the next chapter we have the set. So don't worry if you don't understand set. But it's our aim to understand the iterators and iterables, not the set. Console.log. So this is iterable. So it doesn't give any error. Okay, but so this is set and maps will covered in the next chapter. So this is map. So map is also iterable. I am not showing you. So you can able to run the for up loop over here. So it is iterable, and if you see the symbol iterator protocols in the console, you will see that you will get the symbol iterator protocol over there. So now come to the iterators. So iterator protocol defines how to produce a sequence of value from an object. Okay. Then object becomes an iterator when it implements a next method. So you have to have implement the next method. The next method must return an object with two properties, value, done. Okay. So I am showing a bare minimum example. Okay, let's implement a basic iterator. Say const we have a array, or let cars equal to no, we need array. So this is Toyota. Okay, this is the array. So array is iterable, we have shown already. So let iterator equal to cars symbol iterator. Okay, so console dot bar iterator. So let's see array iterator, and we are getting next. So in the next, so we are getting this protocol. Okay, let's go for the next. Okay, console.log iterators dot next. So we are getting, see, first item Volvo, Toyota, and done false. So if we go to the next element, so finally you are getting true, and it is becoming undefined after 5 elements. So this is basically a iterator implementation, and you will see, you see Toyota false, done false, value Toyota, done false, and finally done will be true. Okay, so this is iterator. Okay, so next, this is very efficient and very powerful. Okay, so iterator protocol defines how to produce a sequence of values from an object. An object becomes an iterator when it implements a next method. So it has the next method. You see, we have implemented the next method. Okay, value, the next value, done true or false. Value, the value returned by the iterator can be omitted, is done true, done true if the iterator has completed. So when it is completed, it will become done true. You see, done true. It means it is completed. So technically, iterable must implement symbol iterator methods. String, array type, array, map, set are all iterables because their prototype object has a symbol iterator method. Okay. So homemade iterables. These iterables returns. This is homemade iterables. Let's see. And it has the next protocol, which has the next protocol. This is iterable iterator. Console.log. Okay, if you run more, it will run continuously because we have not make done true. All time it will remain false. Okay, but it will go. So this is very efficient and powerful. But what is the problem? Actually, the problem with the homemade iterable, it does not support JavaScript for of statement. Okay, the symbol iterator is a function that returns the next function. An iterable can be iterated over the code for const of iterables. So you see, here is the problem. So I am showing you. So right now we are using with object. So object is not iterable. So it will create problem. Let's see very carefully. So I am getting everything, but if I wanna say I wanna see the first element, I am commenting it. Say we have numbers. This is an object, okay, blank object. You see, it is not iterable. It is giving the error. So what is the solution? So object is not iterable. Previously, I have told you several times. What are iterables? I am showing you once again. Iterables are string, set, map, array. But objects are not iterable. But we can make it iterable. Okay, so how can we make it iterable? This is the system. My number symbol iterator. And you see, if you go over here, say my number console dot my number. my number is not iterable. You see the problem. My number is not iterable, but right now we will make it iterable. So it has no symbol iterator protocol. So we will make it iterable by this code. So make it iterable. You see, this is make it iterable. So how you can make it iterable? My number, my symbol iterator function, and it will give you false, and finally it will done true. Return value and done false. It will finally become done true. So right now this is iterable. So this is iterable. Previously it was not. So I hope that makes sense. So this code is making is iterable. Make it iterable. Okay, they are initially taking n0 false, and they are finally become done true. Repeatedly it becomes done false, and when it will finish it will become done true. So this is iterables. So you can manually make object iterables. So basically objects are not iterable. Objects are not iterable. I am showing you once again. So this is object. I'm not making it iterable. This is object, so it's saying that object is not iterable. But when I make this object iterable by this code, it will become iterable. So it is becoming iterable. Okay. And the symbol iterator method is called automatically for up loop, and you can run for up loop. So you are running for up loop over here. So it is the second proof that it is iterable, but we can also do it manually. So you can do the same thing by another way. So this is not the main thing. It's the another implementation of this iterable code. So here is the main thing. So main thing is that you have to understand the iterable and iterator. So iterator is with Next protocol, and you objects are not iterable, but arrays are iterable, strings, sets, maps are iterable. But you can make these things iterable by this protocol. My number symbol iterator function by this protocol. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. If you don't understand, please let me know. I will clarify the video. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon.